Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this cute crochet strawberry pot holder. I made it with a G-hook and medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below. If this is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's a link on how to do that down below, and there's a playlist for beginners. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and let's get started. To get started, you're going to work the magic ring. I just wrap it around my fingers, grab the yarn, pull it through, create a chain 1. If this is your first time doing the magic ring, I have a link on how to do that down below. I'm going to work 10 single crochet in the ring. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, continue on for 9 more. Once you have all 10, you're going to pull it closed with your tail, and then you can slip stitch into the first stitch. If you want to create a little hanger on this, you're going to do a chain of 10. And then you can slip stitch in that beginning stitch. So it's going to look like this. And slip stitch into the next stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull it through. And then you can create a chain 3, counts as your first double crochet. And then double crochet in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then just go into the same stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And then you're going to repeat that into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook, and just repeat that around. Okay, you're going to yarn over and pull through. Slip knot onto your hook with your new color, and then you had the 2 stitches for the cluster here and then there. In between the stitch, you're going to work a chain 3 by slip stitching, then work your chain 3, and then work 3 double crochet together. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. And then in the next, in between the 2 stitches here, you have your cluster from before, and before you're going to work 3 double crochet in between. And then go in between these 2 stitches here and do the same thing, 3 double crochet. And then go in between these stitches here, you have your cluster from before, and then here you're going to go in between. This is all repeat now. 3 double crochet. And in the last stitch here, in between your 2 stitches, you're going to work 4 double crochet together. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leave the loops on the hook, yarn over again, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, repeat again, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, and then pull yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. It's going to look like this. Chain 1 and turn, and then slip stitch in the space, and then chain 3, then work 3 double crochet together. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, leave those loops on the hook, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through, leave those loops on the hook, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull those remaining loops on the hook, chain 1, and then in the next space in between you're going to work 3 double crochet. Then chain 1, and then repeat, work 3 double crochet in between these 2 stitches. And then chain 1 and repeat, 3 double crochet. And then chain 1, and then repeat 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, and then end with a cluster, which I'll show you here in a minute. 4 double crochet together, so yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. And then chain 1 and turn. Insert your hook into the next stitch here, and then work a chain 3. Work 3 double crochet together. This is all repeat from before. Then yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Chain 1, and then work 3 double crochet in the space. Then chain 1, and then repeat. Chain 1, and then just repeat that 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then you're going to work your cluster here. You're going to chain 1, and then work your 4 double crochet cluster here. Then yarn over and pull through all the loops. Chain 1. It's going to look like this. Then turn, slip stitch into the space. Chain 3, work your 3 double crochet cluster. This is all repeat. Then yarn over and pull through all the loops. Chain 1, work your 3 double crochet in the space. Chain 1, work 3 double crochet in the space. Chain 1, and then you're going to do your 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, and then work your cluster here. You're going to do your chain 1 and work your cluster here at the end. Work the 4 double crochet cluster. This is all repeat again. And then yarn over and pull through all loops. Okay, chain 1 and turn, slip stitch into the space, and then chain 3, work 3 double crochet together, and then yarn over and pull through all the loops, then chain 1, work your 3 double crochet in each space until you get to the end with the cluster here. And then chain 1, work your 3 double crochet. And then chain 1, work your 3 double crochet, and then work your cluster here after your chain 1. Then work your 4 double crochet cluster here. Yarn over and then pull through all your loops, and then chain 1, turn, slip stitch into the space, chain 3, then work your 3 double crochet cluster, and then yarn over and pull through all the loops, chain 1, and then work your 3 double crochet in the space. And then chain 1 and work your 3 double crochet in the next space, chain 1, and then work your cluster here, and then chain 1 and then work your cluster at the end here. And then pull through all the loops, chain 1 and turn, and slip stitch in and chain 3 and work your 3 double crochet cluster, then yarn over and pull through all the loops, and chain 1 and work your 3 double crochet, and chain 1 and work your 4 double crochet cluster, and then pull through all the loops, and then yarn, and then chain 1 and turn, slip stitch, chain 3, work your cluster, then pull through all the loops, chain 1 and work your 4 double crochet cluster, and then yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through to finish. So just weave in your ends about 3 to 4 times to secure and hide. And do that with the rest of your pieces so you can finish this. Thank you for watching this crochet strawberry pot holder tutorial, and the pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.